Hi guys. I hope all of you are doing well. Today I will be telling you about some good screen recording apps in the market. These apps are free to use, do not have record limits, gives high quality and have no watermarks. Starting off from Xbox Game Bar. This bar will show you options for audio, recordings or to toggle on or off microphone. You can also view your PC performance, which will tell you about CPU, GPU, RAM and VRAM. From the settings menu you can set your desired shortcuts. The default shortcut to start recording is Windows plus Alt plus R. If you want to configure settings for Xbox Bar, search bar, type Xbox Game Bar, open it. Here you will see all sort of configurations for recordings, like shortcut keys. Here you can change the video quality, FPS, or you can decide if you like to capture mouse cursor. Coming up next is Zoom. It is not just online meetings but can be used for screen recording. After your download is complete, just open the app, click New Meeting. From here you can start sharing your screen. You will have different options for recording your whole screen, or you can record a specific window. After your recording begins, you will have many options like editing your ongoing recordings with an innate. You can draw as you like. Next on our list is Flashback. It comes with a free version and a paid version, but for screen recording free version will be more than enough for you. After your installation is complete, launch the application. You will see different options for recording, like recording in full screen, a specific region, or a window. You won't be able to change the video quality as it is fixed in the free version. In the settings you can change your preferences for video quality, show mouse cursor or change FPS. In the webcam and audio tab, you can record your video with background change, which is a very cool feature. In the tab hotkey, you can set your shortcuts for starting and stopping your X. Screencast-O-Matic is yet another free recorders from which you get a free recorder, an editor, or you can take screenshots. By starting the app, you will get a small bar on your screen. Just click the record icon to start. You will see option for selecting the area of the screen you had like to record. You will see another bar, from which you can start, pause or use your webcam while producing your content. The final on our list is OBS, which stands for Open Broadcast Software. It is the one that I would recommend using. It is free. Can be installed on any platform. This application gives you total control over the quality settings. In order to do that, go to Settings. Here you find different quality settings. You can also set the shortcuts for video recording, pausing or stopping. From the control panel, which is located on bottom right side, you can start or pause your video. You can also add different transitions to the recordings directly from the interface. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe for more.